The humble blueberry muffin, a delicious snack, often overshadowed by the chocolate muffin. But let me tell you, this thing right here, this is genius. The only problem is, you can't drink it. Well, that changes today, because what I have here is the blueberry muffin Martini. Let me show you how to make it. So the first thing that we're going to do is grab some kind of shaking vessel, be it a cocktail shaker, be it a jar, as this is a shaken cocktail. We're going to go in with 50 milliliters of a neutral spirit, being vodka, that's a double shot or just under 2 ounces. Next up, we're going to use the blueberry and lemon schnapps by Flavor. Now I know what you're thinking, this sounds incredibly like an advert or a sponsorship. I assure you, it is not. It's just the best way to achieve a blueberry muffin flavour is with a blueberry and lemon schnapps, and this is the best one that I could find. So we're going to go in with 25 milliliters, which is 1 shot or just under 1 ounce. And we're going to pair that with some lemon juice, give it a little bit of tartness, give it a little bit of a bite. We're also going to go in with 1 shot of lemon juice as well. To finish that up, we're going to use some foaming bitters, or you can use egg white if you want. That's what's going to really froth it up. It's going to give that light texture like you expect from a muffin. You don't want it to be too heavy. So we're going to need to give this a real big shake. Lots of ice, lots of air, real big shake. Get it nice and fluffy. Then we can strain it off into a nice chilled coupe. And there we have it. At this point, taste, adjust. If you want it to be a bit sweeter, I recommend adding half a shot of sugar syrup. And then just to finish it off, I'll take some actual blueberry muffin and just sprinkle that on top. So you get the nose of the blueberry muffin, you get that aroma, and you get that taste as well. Do enjoy the blueberry muffin Martini.